Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, part 2. And if you didn't watch part 1 where we got to this point, I wasn't going to make a second video, but one of my viewers, subscribers, said it's really cool. So he must have done it. And it's really cool if you take the yellow, I'm going to hold down the shift key so it grows from the inside and put it on the outside. You get a total different look. And this is before you do anything with rotations and rotating the inside. I mean, that right there, that would be I would think, a pretty cool graphic to print. Sometime I'm going to take this out to a printer friend of mine and get him to print it off. So let's do the same thing with this one. Just hold down the shift. You want to get the two-sided bar and then hold down the shift and then put the yellow on the outside. So they're real close together, but you can do it more and have them spread apart. Anyway, little fun project. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.